Hey everyone, and welcome to RUBIN'S Mind Lab, where we break down the latest research into what it really means. Ever wonder how we can peek inside the brain's electrical storms to understand thinking, or how researchers are making it easier to analyze all that complex brain data? Well, today we're diving into a cool new tool that's making big waves in brain research. Imagine scientists studying your brain when you see something, hear something, or make a decision. They use something called EEG, which is like putting a special cap with sensors on your head to pick up the tiny electrical signals your brain makes. These signals are super fast and complex. Now, when scientists want to look at brain activity tied to specific events, like seeing a picture, they often use a method called ERP, which stands for Event-Related Potential. Think of it as averaging the brain's electrical response to that same event over and over again to see the typical pattern. But what if you want to do more than just average? What if you want to see how different things you do or experience affect your brain activity on a moment-to-moment basis, even for just one instance? That's where a fancier version called Regression ERP or rERP comes in. It's like a super flexible way to model brain responses. It can look at how many different things at once influence your brain's electrical signals, and it can even untangle overlapping signals, which is a huge deal because brain activity often overlaps. Now, all this amazing brain research generates a ton of data. To make sure everyone can share and use this data properly, there is a standardized way to organize it all called BIDS, which stands for Brain Imaging Data Structure. It's like a universal filing system for brain data, making it easy for different software and people to find and work with the information. So, we have this powerful way to analyze brain signals with rERP, and we have a great way to organize the data with BIDS. But connecting them used to be a bit of a headache. Researchers often had to write complicated custom code to get their BIDS, organized data, into the rERP analysis tools. This took a lot of time, was prone to mistakes, and made it harder for science to be repeatable. That's where the project we're talking about today comes in. They've created something called UnfoldBIDS.jl. Think of it as a bridge builder. This new tool, written in the super fast Julia programming language, connects BIDS formatted data directly with a powerful rERP analysis tool called UnfoldJL. What does this mean for researchers? It means they can do super complex brain analyses much more easily. Instead of writing lots of custom code, they can use just a few commands. The package is designed to be really efficient, even with massive datasets from hundreds of participants. It can even work with data that's already been pre-processed using other popular tools like NePython, offering a smoother workflow. Before it even dives into the complex brain signal analysis, UnfoldBIDS.jl first organizes all the information about the data, like which files belong to which participant and what experiments they did, into a super neat and organized table. This makes it really easy for researchers to check the data, filter out anything they don't need, or select specific parts of the data for their analysis. It